How to become a Twitch affiliate. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can become a Twitch affiliate, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are several rules as to becoming an affiliate on Twitch, and to view these rules, I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below. Just come to this article over here, right, and you can view in detail in this case. Here you can see on this page what it takes to join the affiliate program, the agreement and the revenue questions, right? So to join the affiliate program, you need to reach these 4 criteria. One is that you need to reach over 50 followers, and you need to stream for 8 hours straight and stream on 7 different days, which means 7 different continuous days. Then you also need to have an average of 3 viewers at least, and all of this actually must be achieved over a 30-day period. So as you can read over here, to qualify for the affiliate program, you must simultaneously meet all 4 requirements over a 30-day period. If you're under 18, you can still sign up, but you will need your parental controls to do so, and you can also check if you qualify for the affiliate program. So as I repeat again, I'll make sure to drop this whole direct link down in the description box. You can check that out and view it in more detail if you'd like, and this way you'll be able to become an affiliate on Twitch. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.